and welcome to this video about the licenses that solar contractor companies need. Solar energy is becoming increasingly popular, and more people are turning to solar power for their homes and businesses. As a result, there are many solar contractor companies out there who provide solar installation services. However, these services cannot be performed in a legal manner without proper licensing. In this video, we will discuss the licenses that solar contractor companies need to follow the law and provide quality services to their customers. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about topics that can benefit your business. Also, keep in mind that our organization's licensing experts can take care of every step in this video on your behalf. Licenses are important because they ensure that the contractor is properly trained and qualified to perform the job. In the case of solar installation, it's important that the contractor has the necessary knowledge and expertise to properly install solar panels and ensure that they function efficiently. Without the proper licenses, the contractor may not be qualified to perform the work, which can result in subpar installation or even dangerous situations. Now let's talk about the types of licenses that solar contractor companies need. First and foremost, they need a contractor's license. This license is required by law, and it ensures that the contractor has met certain qualifications and is authorized to work in their specific trade. In addition to the contractor's license, solar contractors may also need an electrical license. This is because solar panels require electrical work, and electrical work requires a separate license. Solar-specific licenses may also be required depending on the state or region the contractor is working in. For example, in California, solar contractors must have a C46 solar contractor license. This license is specific to solar work and requires additional education and training beyond a general contractor's license. Other states may require similar licenses, so it's important to check with your state or regional regulatory agency to ensure that your contractor has the appropriate licenses. Also, solar contractors in certain states or locations must have PE licensing, which stands for Professional Engineer. A PE license shows potential customers a level of competence and knowledge and can greatly enhance a contractor's credibility. To obtain this type of license, solar contractors must pass the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, which covers basic engineering principles and state-specific licensing requirements. They must also have at least 4 years of applicable work experience and pass the Principles and Practice in Engineering exam to be eligible for licensure. There you have it. Those are the main licenses that solar contractors need. To learn more information or order licensing from third-party specialists, please visit legalregistration.com or give our experts a phone call at 877-955-7111. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below.